Hi,
Mommy
Brock.
bought me this. And it was my dream.
Let's open it. I wonder what's inside. I wonder what's inside again. Come on, open it. Oh my goodness. Wait, why is
I'll
your
do this
face
one.
here?
Who is that?
Ryan!
Ryan?
I want to take his face off.
He is famous.
Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Show it. What is
Oh
inside?
my goodness. It's a helicopter.
Whoa.
This is so fun.
That's
I
it.
can't take it
And
out.
this is a pen right here. Oh my goodness. Get that out. Get that out. Oh my goodness. And let's see what's inside here. Yeah.
I'm doing a
It
big
is it's Robot Man. Let's get him out.
I think this is you. I think it's.
No, that's
Putty.
slime.
I think it's.
Look
Putty.
at him.
Oh, that's pretty.
How do you put this on? Oh, no, okay. Let's open the next. Oh, never mind. Let's see what's inside here again.
Oh, it's actually not slime. It's putty. You know what?
It's right here. It's a shield.
I'm doing another.
Woo!
There's something in here. It's an open.
It's Robot.
What's that?
It's combo
Combo Panda.
stickers. I think these are tattoos with stickers.
Dude, look at him.
I don't know. Oh, this is control combo.
And what? Don't forget Robot Man.
It's which combo?
Now let's open the next one.
I don't know the name, but he's really mad. I don't know why. 'Cause-
Oh, he's raging.
yeah, because he lost a game.
I wonder what's inside here. What? Is it a squish speaker?
Oh yeah.
What?
Where did you go?
I don't know.
Is it Peck? Is it Peck?
Or Pac-Man.
No, Peckman's not so good. Oh, it's Peck. It's Wizard Peck. Or is it? I don't know. What's the
I'm
name.
gonna open this one.
Is this squishy?
Ooh. It's another feature.
What is that?
It looks
Ryan!
like you.
It's Robot Ryan!
This looks like mommy.
Me?
Look at it.
Dude, this is so messy already.
I think that's Ryan's mom.
Robot Ryan.
Whoa, what is this?
It's
The
you.
mystery
Let me play it.
pie.
Let me see. Let me see. Let's see about that.
Whoa.
What? It moves?
Oh, it's going.
It's
It's
you.
moving.
It's you. It looks like
Whoa.
I'm gonna open the putty. Whoa.
Okay, that's scary. I'm not letting you to play that.
But we're not.
Whoa.
Look at this is squishy.
Wait, what did we got? We had to read the name.
There's a whatever.
Are these the characters or
Is that all? No. I want to find more.
I love you.
Oh, who did we got?
You like it, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Watching
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. What? You have to say that every video. Sorry. Mom, can I throw this in the trash?
Yeah.
Oh, this will be your picture.
Put all the accessories here. Put all the accessories here.
Okay. Bye. Time for a snack break.
Love it.
What?
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
You've been asking me that for so long, huh? And finally, I got one for the For only $5. Oh my goodness, that's very cheap.
I know where to put it. I know where to put it.
You breakfast for me.
I know. I always see this.
Mama's giving baby a kiss.
Yeah.
Here, the garbage, please.
Woo!
Okay. Put all the accessories here.
Hey, that's what I did.
Over the hill and far